What's good? SVT Killer coming at ya. Bay Area Pyro Addicts. Doing a little demo here. Beautiful Sunday. Yeah. Nice little demo here for you guys. Check this out. Flag parachute. For all you OGs that know what's cracking, you know what that is. Yeah. Let's get into it. Got a little bit of wind, so I gotta do this in the middle of the street because I don't want this shit going up on top of the fucking buildings. I want to show you guys the insert after. So get this lit real quick. Here it goes. Oh, that was kind of bootsy, but what can you do for fucking 40-year-old fucking fireworks? But what's cool about this, check this out. American flag. It was supposed to unravel, but as you can see, it didn't do that. But check this out. Here, let me put it over here. Look at it, still smoldering. Look at that. That's why these are fucking dangerous as fuck. Check that out. All the other ones I lit off all popped out really nice, but this one didn't do it. Look at the insert. Hold on. It's a long ass insert. Look at this big ass insert. Shit, I might say this and you know what? Damn, that fucking cardboard is still good. God damn, this thing's smoking like a motherfucker. But yeah, check that out. It's fucking cloth. Go look at that shit. It's like a cloth material. Yeah, America, motherfuckers. You know how we do it. Pyro Addicts. Anyways, thought you guys would like that. Pyro the motherfucking out. You guys have a great day out there. Stay safe, homies. Pyro Addicts, Bay Area. Yee!